Saní Seán seo beag méid deireadh Páipéar a dó anois agus tám chun níos mó eolais a chomhairtíomh faoi na léamhhuiscintí ar dú tar éis sin leanfaidh mé roigh go dtí an Ilíocht tar éis sin déanfaidh mé an prose agus ag an deireadh tám chun deireadh ar an gceist a bhaineann le Mike Deneen. Okay, so sin ceist uimhir a 4. Okay, so I just sweenof Gaeilge. Céad marc ag Páipéar a dó. 200 mark, 200 marks, okay? So you Michigan's 5 mark an ceann. So 50 marks per Michigan. Then you have the Filiocht, poetry, 30 marks. You have the prose, 30 marks. You have Mike Deneen, 40 marks. Now, some of you do want to read, that's fine, but unfortunately, this video I'm going to be talking about Mike Deneen, the question I do with my students. Okay, so tá fear bhróin an frí sin nach beag méid deireadh Mike Deneen in you. Okay, so what you need to know is take the answer from the text and give it back. Okay, you don't have to change the answer. Okay, it's on page. Can you copy and paste from the text? The issue is that if you do much, if you don't understand the question, you might be the incorrect part. And understand the question, Mohigan to an even I you have no issue. Once you gave there, one of the main mistakes making the issue is give too much information. They're not looking for the whole paragraph. You get the whole paragraph, you don't have a clue what they're asking, but you get the paragraph and you just talk. Okay, that is where you lose the mark. In the léamhhuiscint, now anything I'm saying might write down because they allow one extra piece of information without penalising. One extra piece. If you get any more, your P&O will be penalised. So that is why it's very important that you understand the question and that you only give what they're looking for. And we'll put that into and I'll give you an example of the paper. Most question 2A and you've choice question 3 name so school 3 but might the morality so big or like you know okay and Páipéar a dó an léamhhuiscint. It's 100 marks. Is that focusing on the poetry prose in and you focus 100 marks. So between now and so the léamhhuiscint look at question 4 say you know going to be on the paper. It's always substitute his youth and the hands all thing very general like that. Okay, so study the need to the ash. I would learn the ash because that is not normally right. Normally, let's say it's that you're probably going to do well overall. Anyway, okay. So let's talk with the léamhhuiscint. As I said, this exam, right? And do you understand the text? Now you do have to understand every single right? I couldn't a thing about her. Some of you historians that you might be more about Countess Markovich, right? Use what you know about her to answer the text. So look and predict what I think is being text. What do I know about this person? Or what do I know about the top of this text? Is very good. Okay. So again, you give one piece extra, you won't be peanut. But if more than that, then you'll be peanut. Another thing is, and I'm sure you know this, but the number of the questions relate to the of the. What I mean by that is for these two are for all these altitude and so on, right? I hope that is clear, and I hope you figure out now. Okay. So again, you don't need to understand the questions and figure out where the answer is, okay? And give what you're looking for. I know it sounds easy, but it's easier said than done, right? But chaithig shiv clachta all very visible. Okay, it's a learn amazing vocabulary. Okay, so let's now how is worth 7 marks, and it's divided up into A and B1 and B2. The whole one. Now let's look. 1A. We go looking for, okay. So mark for this is, and it's good to notice. Then here is worth 3 marks. So 1A is worth, right? So you need 2 things. So you need to give 2 answers for the day. What will you get for the second and 1 for the third? Or 2 for the first answer that's right, and 1 for the second answer that's right. Okay, and then B1. So add 2 and 2, 7. So you need to have a look at 1A to make sure. Are they looking? So 1A they're looking for 2, so you need to give 2, and you get 2 marks. 1 mark. Again, it's 3 marks in total for 2A. And then you've 2 marks, 2 marks for 2. That is the way it is the whole way down to comprehension. Okay, so the scheme for the comprehension is fairly straightforward. Now, come to 6A and 6B, right? And 6B is worth 50 marks in total. 6A gone down. Difficult question, but it's what I kind of, right. So you find elements of grammar text. So you rehearse. So rehearse the verb, and it's AI for the ODH and I for the ODH. Verb. You need to learn your rehearse endings. You know I for the ODH. You know those endings. Right. So connect A for the ODH and I could slender then by an E before EADH, or an I for the ODH. So verb to know your endings for the verbs and the differences and how to write. Noticing now, this would help you. Now we're looking for the Brihar Sarah 2, and we're looking at okay. So paragraph 2. Okay. Brihar Rugach ADH. Oh, you see, now the only about this, there is no Brihar Shakacha. So even Brihar Shakacha normally have shape group, there in the Brihar Sarah Shakacha. So notice NEADH H here. So it's Sarah Shakacha. Okay. Gaeilge. The is the equivalent of the Brihar Sarah. Make no shoot in the Brihar Sarah. There in alt. So King owing and is King owing and owing. Similar to the past tense because you have a shevu in it. Now, whatever it was founded. Who founded it? Okay. Now, just to show you about giving too much information, let's okay. There are two things women have to get a vote in the election. Now, people who know about the 1918 general election might know this anyway. All right. So we want to mention that women have the 1918 elections. Let's see if we can find the answer. So we have or if they have or your husband. Now that's true. That's enough. Okay, would be allowed, but any bit more would have been okay. Give you then I'm going to go back to, and then I'm going to go on to 6B with you, okay? So mention two things that women had to have a vote in the 1980 general election. Okay, that. Okay, what the gang have together in the first doll. Right, one point of information that um, in this general election. Write down two hobbies that she had growing up. One is the sympathetic or vigor who when was in 1817. Gert you just threw it. So political outlook first speech. Mentioned an example that showed her husband were active in the cultural life in Dublin. Again, nationalists protesting in Ireland. I say it would have been easy enough to get the marks. Before 1930. The constants do the 1913, and was captured after the 1960s. Write down two things about Parliament. So in Parliament, of County Ken Cuspor of Parliament. So he's done be do the traits of a person from the text. So person, and you need to prove it with what type of text is this and why? What type of text? Is what type of text? This one looking for two traits. Do this marks first question. Okay. You give your example, right? Example, you rate. So what do you think about constants, right? So type of text. So for example, if you want to say she's Kroga, she's brave. So you run Kroga. O Fada. And then you give your example from this. And exactly your word. So sure word. Second, give the example Kroga and detail Kroga if we're here. And then for the next trait, now so research and exploration. Again, the comprehension is the exact same. All right. The question layout is the exact same. To marking same gender. Say then say the singular tissue from your own reason why the author wrote piece. Right. let's look for the grammar. So ATAL Roche. Okay. Okay. So in the first paragraph, we're looking for a verb. But there, that is, for this is Oshnach, but it's rehearsed. So that's it. And then we know where and I can cut across now. Now, tissue again is up. However, singular of a noun, so feminine them, no. So, gali, galach is two so think of scholar or scholar or a scholar tissue it's a line or the house tea tissue on the the door for right. And again, as I said, if you start noticing now, it'll be great. Now, there's two reasons. Okay. So the answer to go is because we want to space show the advantages and disadvantages have to do it. Explanation. I should put that myself. Or the author chose the cash spot. So they wrote text to show the history of expression days. Okay. So Tommy Condola right now goody those. So do pro okay. So there in and you display character or temperament on the man on that's school and respect in the story now how to answer to two of them. So you answer have reference to life or the mark for quite so out 25 is information, right? If you know origin, you get 25 marks. And they'll do well in the prose and in the poetry and in my as well. the thing that's important. Okay. I can learn to write. So it's when say on a track here. The memory was to do this is one memories of the poet and the cost to do it. I discuss. Okay, what in you now, not one that's more the poem. What you can in you answer that one. Okay, and then near here now in complicating poet, but the poem I will work of the poet for every single poet just in case because come up to get now. These aren't exactly out of 15 is actually marked 32 marked for the Gaeilge, right at the end. This is marked, and this is actually marked out as so then we can use for the Gaeilge at the end because okay. And again, um, all you need to do is mention and then support why you motion. For examples, who's clean office mar he on únta mar so because of the beautiful images and lovely that then for the rest of it. So everything is zero. Just so again for all is for and we're going to move on to my please sing every year. Okay, guarantee question for eternity. So let's look at this question. So autobiography his unter here found the people in the parish. He shake okay. Okay. Question. This right? Must refer like you must answer to if only one are mentioned. Five or instead they get 35 for Gaeilge. Mention answer is only going to get 40. That's marks you straight away. Okay. I hope the most important thing pros, post, all the names are just no present the prose. You ask the question and make the question correct. Actually, that who can question the very but it is not use what you say. You're walking this me up how I'm dream again. So that's it. It is advice to you is focus on the Leibh Hishkin and Mike Deneen. The poetry with them now, right? It's each body as the ready for 60 marks. Okay, students tend to focus on the prose and